Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I'm gonna show how to get unlimited money in Thief Simulator or Thief Simulator 2. It works the same way for both games. So, the first thing you need to do is to immediately open up Cheat Engine. If you don't have Cheat Engine, there's a link in the description on how you can install it safely without any viruses. Okay, but when you go into Cheat Engine, you need to click on this button here and find the one that has the Thief Simulator logo and it's called something like this. Highlight it and click on open. Now you're going to want to enter however much money you currently have in the game. So as you can see, I have $500 currently. So I need to go to Cheat Engine and enter 500 in the value tab and click on first scan. Now that we've done that, we're gonna go back to the game and now we need to change the amount of money we have. So just either sell something or buy something, it doesn't matter. I sold a teapot for $8, so now I'm gonna go back to Cheat Engine again and enter however much money I have now. So as you can see, I have $508 now. And then I'm gonna click on next scan. And if you get more than one address on the left page here, like I did here, all you need to do is just to sell or buy another item and change your amount of money to a new value. As you can see, I sold another thing and now I have $516 and I now also have only one address which we want. So once you have one address only, you're going to want to click on this button down here and then double click on where it says description or no description and change it to money. Then double click on where it says value and now change it to whatever you want. You can basically add however much money you want, but there is a limit. I don't know what it is, but I've managed to add up to $2 billion without any problem. So just add however much you want, click on OK, and you're good to go. You now have your money, your unlimited money in Thief Simulator. And you can just close down Cheat Engine and you do not have to save it. And that is basically it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribing helps me out. And goodbye.